Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's episode, I think I should show you around my school. It's the last day of school, so there's not that many people, so I think it's the perfect time to go film it. And I hope you guys are all having a fantastic start of summer. So I'm sure some of you are wondering how I get to school. So how I get to school is I take my penny board, as you can see. So it's a very small, it's kind of like a small skateboard, but it's made out of plastic. So that's a cool thing right there. Outside of the class, we got here, and here's, I can show you a quick tour of the class. So there, it's a class, that's where I sit, my stuff, so I have to take that. It's my penny board, goes right there. There's almost no one in the class, because it's the last day of school. It's actually a Saturday, so that's why no one would ever be here. So yeah, we're going outside now. Hey guys, we're now outside. Sorry if it's kind of hard to hear. So this is our whole school out here. Pretty big school. That's all our kids and all of our parents. My parents couldn't make it, my mom and dad couldn't make it. Because of course dad is in America and that is... Hello.
Hello.
Hello. So,
hello,
yeah.
my best friend.
Hello. If anything happens, I'll update you. So we should have like a little show going on over here. So they're getting ready over there. So yeah. Welcome back. So we just finished, we got all of our awards and everything. It was pretty cool, there's some cool songs. Oh, hello. This is Sanya.
Меня зовут Саша, я друг Николаса.
His name is Sanya. He's saying his name is Sasha and he's my friend. What grade are you in? В каком ты классе?
В 8.
He's in 8th grade.
Не, я уже в 9.
Oh, now he's already in 9th grade now. That means I'm officially in 8th grade too.
Все, до свидания.
Okay, he said bye. Whatever. Okay, so I think we're gonna go bowling with the class. I'll shoot something there. I'll show you guys. It's pretty fun. I've never gone bowling here in Ukraine. So yeah, see you guys till then. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me that well. So we're at the bowling range. As you guys can see, we're at the bowling range. All the bowling stuff. So yeah, I'll update you guys once we start the game. Bye. Hey guys, so we're now bowling. It's pretty loud. I don't know if you guys can hear me. So we're on the bowling range. As you can see, there's thing up there, bowling over there. I just scored a strike, so that's pretty fun. The first one I got 0-0, so I guess that's whatever. seconds. I mean,